LCM is nothing but this repetition should not be there. If you take co-primes, directly you have to multiply them. Why? This is what exactly is a LCM concept. As you are freshers now, one more example I will take. What is this prime factorization? I already taught you in algebra. Highest power of a is a square. Even for fractions also you can find. How do you find? I got you. What is the doubt now? Hello winners! A warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I welcome you to lecture 24. Today I will help you how to calculate LCM, least common multiple. Okay, how do you calculate? To calculate you should know. Okay, I'll tell you a trick regarding LCM. LCM is nothing but a multiplication. It's a multiplication without repetition. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by multiplication without repetition? Whenever you are calculating LCM between two numbers or more numbers, you should not take the repetition. What do you mean by repetition? I will show you with an example. Okay. If you take 4 and 6, if you are supposed to find LCM for these two numbers, if you write 4 into their factors, 2 into 2. If you write 6 into their factors, 2 into 3. There is one 2 here also. This repetition should not be there. You should take only one time. If you are taking co-primes, as I said, directly you can multiply them. I'll show you how. If you take co-primes, what are co-primes? Any two consecutive numbers. Example 2, 3, 3, 4, 15, 16. Any numbers which are consecutive next to each other, if you take any numbers like this or two prime numbers, any two prime numbers, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 29. Like this, if you take any two prime numbers, they are called co-primes. If you want to find their LCM, directly you have to multiply them. Why? Because they have only one number as common, that is only 1 as their factor. If you take example of 2, 3, it is 1 into 2, 1 into 3. What is repeating? This is repeating, right? One is repeating between two numbers. That's why if you take one time or 100 times, doesn't matter. That's why directly we multiply them. Whenever you are finding co-primes, I'm telling you, if you have to find LCM of 3, 4, answer is 3 into 4. That is 12. Is that okay? If you want to find LCM of 7, 11, directly the answer will be 7 into 11, that is 77. That's it. But in case where there is a repetition in between two numbers, okay, some number is repeating, that means you have to consider it only once. That is, the LCM of 4, 6 will be 2 into, okay, forget about the repeating part, I will tell you later. Then you take 3, which is not repeating. Then now 2 is repeating in between both of them, right? You have to take only one time. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12. This is what exactly is a LCM concept. Okay, every time to see the repeating part, it will be very challenging. That's why there are some methods to calculate LCM. What are those methods? First method is, as you know, if they are co-primes, directly you can multiply. Okay, what if they are not co-primes? How do you calculate LCM for those numbers? You have to know this method. Second method is division method. What is this division method? If you want to find LCM for 4 comma 6, 4 comma 6, you have to see only with the prime numbers. You have to calculate what is common in between them. Okay, what is common between them? 2. 2 how many times? 2 times. In 6, 3 times. You have to take some table which is common between them. If there is no common, now see 2 comma 3, there is no common. Now we will take, you can take any table which is, divisible by this to any number. Okay, or 2 can divide this 2 how many times? 1 time. So it can't divide 3, so you will write 3 like this. If you are proficient some more, I can stop here calculating, but as you are freshers now, I am teaching you till you get 1 comma 1 here. Now 3 is there, I'll take 3 1 comma 1 time. In 3, in 1 it can't divide, so 1 we will write here. In 3 it will divide 1 time, so like this. After this, what you have to do, you have to multiply these things. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. What is the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 1 is 12 only. What was the answer? We got 12 only. Good, easy. One more example I will take. Let us take 8, 12, 16. Before calculating with division method, we will see what are common between them. Okay, oh, 12, 16, right? You have to know, not into comma. Okay, here 2 into 2 into 2, this is 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 is common among all of them, so you write it only 1 time. One more 2 is common among all of them, again you write 1 time. In between two numbers also there should not be any common. Here there is 2 common, here also common 2, so you write it only 1 time. Okay, this 2 is not repeating anywhere, you can write it only 1 time, so this is you can write. 3 nowhere it is repeating, you write 3. What is the answer here? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 3s are 48. We will use division method and we will calculate, we will see whether the answer will be coming or not. Okay, second table you take, how many times? 4 times, 6 times, 8 times. Again you can take second table, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Again you can take second table, because second table is common in between them. 1 time, 3, it can't divide 3, so directly you write 3 here. 4 it can divide 2 times. Now you can take third table, 1 1 2. Now you can take 2 table, 1 1 1. Now what you are supposed to do, you have to multiply all of them. Multiply them, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. What was the answer we are supposed to get? 48. How much we got? 48. See, nice method. You can practice a lot of problems using this division method. You might have your childhood days, schooling and everything, they might have taught you this method. Okay, one more method is there that will make your life very easy. What is that method? I will keep these two examples here itself. I'll teach the third method here so that we can compare those two methods. Okay, chalo. Third method we call it as prime factorization. Prime factorization. What is this prime factorization? You know how to divide a number into prime factors, right? I already taught you. 4, if you want to divide 4 comma 6, we have to find the LCM. Okay. Now you have to find the prime factors for 4. 4 will be written as second table can divide 2 times and this 2 also can divide 1 time. That means 2 into 2, 2 power 2. Okay, if you want 6, second table will divide 3 times. That means 2 into 3. This is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 only. Okay, these two numbers individually we have written prime factorization. Now what you are supposed to do? Answer you can write directly. Once you know the prime factors, you can directly write the answer. What is the answer? 2 is there. Okay, 2 is there. What is the highest power? 2. Here 1. So 2 is the highest power into 3 highest power. If nothing is there, that means this is 1 here. 1 means 3 power 0. I already taught you in algebra. 3 power 0 means 1. Now 3 power, how much you have to take highest one? Here there is 0. Here there is 1. Which is the highest one? 1. Answer is this only. 2 square means 4 into 3. Answer is 12. We got it right? Now we will write prime factorization for 8, 12, 16. We will find this side we will find. Okay, because prime factorization won't take more space. It will take very less space. If you take 8, you do it, I know directly I am writing. This is 2 cube. If you take 12, this is 2 square into 3. If you take 16, this is 2 power 4. If you want to find LCM for 8, 12 and 16, what is the answer? What is common between them? 2. Okay. Even there is no common also, no problem. What is the highest power? 4. Here 3, 2, 4. 4 is the highest power. 4 into 3 is there, right? 3 power 1. Here 3 power 0. Here 3 power 0. That means directly 3 power 1 is the highest power. 16 into 3. This is 48. This is what supposed to get, right? Easy. This is called prime factorization method. You use prime factorization, thereby you directly write the answer once you know it. I told you prime numbers will make your life very easy. See, this is how they are making. Prime factorization, no division, nothing, you no need to forget anything. However, the big the number is, okay, now no need to worry about that. Directly you can put the answer. That will help you. I hope this, see, no need to follow only prime factorization. If you are comfortable with the division method, you please follow that. Okay, I'll show you one more example. Okay, I will take some algebra A, B, C, D's and then through them I will explain you and I'll show you how they will get repeated. Okay, if you take, if they give you like a square b, some a b c, some a b square d. If you have to find LCM for this, if you have to find LCM for this, Direct answer will be A is there. Highest power of A is A square. B is there. B highest power is B square. Here 1, here 1. So B square. C highest power is C only here. So C highest power will be 1. D only here. D power 1. If they want you to find LCM between A square comma B square, then directly you can write A highest power is 2 into B highest power is 2. That's it. If they want ask you to find LCM of A square B, B C square, answer will be A highest power is 2, B highest power is 1, C highest power is 2. That's it. Okay. This is how you have to know how to find LCM. Okay. I hope through this you can understand how the terms will behave, how a number will behave. This is an example I am giving. Through what? If someone gives you an example like 2 square, 2 square into 3, 2 into 3 into some 5, here 2 into 3 square into some 7, then answer directly you can write 2 square into 3 square into 5 into 7. This is through algebra I am taking. Okay, you have to be very careful in this method. Why? Because these A, B, C's should be prime numbers only always. Okay, because sometimes 4 comma 2 if you take, there will be repeating, something will be repeating. That's why you have to find such methods. Okay, you have to see whether they are prime numbers or not. I hope you had a clear understanding of this. Okay, LCM not only for integers, you can even find for fractions. Even for fractions also you can find. How do you find? If they give you, okay, some A by B, comma, C by D, two fractions, okay, we are not adding those fractions. We are not finding for numbers, direct fractions. Example can be like 2 by 3, comma, some 4 by 5. Two fractions, if they ask you to directly find LCM, and they'll put a bracket like this, or LCM, they'll put a bracket like this. Okay, how do you find LCM for such numbers? Answer, there will be a formula. Directly I'll teach you. Okay, formula is LCM of numerator numbers. Numerator is A comma C divided by HCF of denominators. What is that? B comma D. And in case of these numbers, LCM will be LCM of 2 comma 4 numerator by HCF of denominator, that is 3 comma 5. I got you. What is the doubt now? I didn't teach you HCF. How will we find? We will not find it now. We will find it in next class. Until then, you keep practicing. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.